I would like to start from your first page where let's go through a few formula here that I need to talk about. There's something important with each of the formula. For your binomial expansion, you're going to see that there is this a plus b power n in your formula list. You use this formula only when n is a positive integer. Okay, this is the one from your secondary school, your binomial expansion formula. Only if it's positive integer, you go for this. And I should let you know that when we look at each term, sometimes you're confused with the expansion. I don't really need to refer to the formula list. Each term is treated as always you have a choosing term. So n choose 0. We start with a power n, b power 0. Then we will just keep increasing the zeros to 1. Next term would be n choose 1. Then a, your power drops by 1. The other power increases by 1. So you keep in mind that we should always have 3 terms in each of the expansion here in the binomial expansion. It's sometimes used in other chapters as well, not just in this chapter, like complex numbers, sometimes they want you to expand. Okay, next, for your Maclaurin series expansion, we will always have this fx to be written in this structure. Just recall again what is f0. F0 refers to when x is 0, can we find the y value? And f prime 0 means you want to find the dy dx value from there. Okay, and so on. How many times you should differentiate your equation will depend on how much they want you to expand. If they want you to expand to x cubed, then you will have to differentiate 3 times, and so on. Second formula here, what is the difference between this power n versus the original power n at the top part? Okay, so the difference between them is if you're using this 1 plus x power n, your n is either a fraction or you can have a negative number. Okay, for these 2 cases, we will apply this particular formula. And when we apply this, you need to note that this must be a 1. So if it's not a 1, we will factorize out certain numbers to ensure that the left-hand side constant is a 1. There are 2 shortcuts that I want you to know. Let's note down below. My shortcuts are in relation to power minus 1. Let's say for this particular formula, you have got a negative 1 in the power. What are the shortcuts to apply? And these are usually commonly applied in exams.